Alright, so I have a pallet here that I'm going to cut up. Pallets are great for projects. They're usually made out of hardwood. Not sure what kind of hardwood, but it's good to have little scraps of hardwood around for shop jigs or scrap wood challenge. All I'm going to do is take my circular saw, set it so it's a little bit deeper cut than the thickness of these boards, cut across, avoiding the nails, and I'll have some decent sized pieces of wood that I can use for something. This one over here split a little bit, but that's all right, I'll just throw it in a burn barrel. The bottom of the pallet, you can see how dirty it is. It's best to just throw that away or burn it. You don't want to start running your equipment across this wood with the dirt, rocks, whatever is in it. One more thing to keep in mind, a lot of these things are coming from tropical climates, whether it's China, South America. Some of the wood can be dangerous, so make sure you have some kind of dust protection when you're cutting it so you're not inhaling it. And of course, some kind of safety glasses. Let's cut this up. And there you have it. You have a decent stack of hardwood. Great for whatever you might need it for.